Привіт-привіт! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to teach you how to make compliments in Ukrainian language. But before we start, you know that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below. So, почнімо! Let's get started! Guys, I recorded this video more than 1 month ago in Ukraine, but then when I came to England, I accidentally deleted it, and my video editor also deleted it. So I have to record it again, but that's okay. I'm so happy to teach you more Ukrainian useful words and phrases. So I want just give you some phrases like you are so beautiful or this dress fits you, etc. I will give you some very specific phrases and I will give you like their usage in the context, and you can apply them in different life situations in Ukraine. So, з вами приємно мати справу. З вами приємно мати справу means it is a pleasure to deal with you. And з вами, you can write вами with a capital letter because in this way you show your respect. Yeah? Ви неймовірно добра людина. Ви неймовірно добра людина. You are incredibly kind person. Так, чудово. Ви такі добродушні. Ви такі добродушні. You are so sweet-tempered. So, добродушний, this adjective consists of two words like добрий, you know this, yeah? Добрий, it means kind, good, and душа, it means soul. So, a person who has a good or kind soul. Добродушний. У вас така дружня родина. У вас така дружня родина. You have such a friendly family. Ви дуже привабливо виглядаєте. Ви дуже привабливо виглядаєте. You look very attractive. So this compliment you can use like with your friend, with your relative, with your colleague, boss, etc. So it's like universal for any different conversations. У вас гарний смак. У вас гарний смак. You are a person of good taste. Так, у вас гарний смак. Смак, taste, and I'm sure you heard this expression смачного. It means bon appetit. Смачного. У вас гарне почуття гумору. You have a fine sense of humor. У вас гарне почуття гумору. Окей. Ваш піджак виглядає дуже стильно. Ваш піджак виглядає дуже стильно. Your jacket looks really stylish. Так, стильно, stylish. And you can remember this word pretty fast because we borrowed it from English. Like style, стиль. Стильний, stylish. Easy to remember. У вас такий милий светр. У вас такий милий светр. Your sweater is so cute. So, милий, it means cute. And when somebody say мило, oh, це так мило, it means, oh, it is so cute. I remember our student of the course asked me a question about this word milo, because milo it is translated also as a soap, and somebody wrote to him this phrase, oh, це так мило, and Google translated as it is so soap. But це так мило, it is so cute. Ваша посмішка надзвичайно чарівна. Ваша посмішка надзвичайно чарівна. Your smile is so charming. Добре. Вам так пасує нова зачіска. Вам так пасує нова зачіска. Your new hairstyle suits you so well. Який чудовий у вас будинок. Який чудовий у вас будинок. What a wonderful house you have. Ви дуже впевнено себе поводите у переговорах. Ви дуже впевнено поводите себе у переговорах. You are very confident in negotiations. Ви дуже добре попрацювали над проєктом. Ви дуже добре попрацювали над проєктом. You did a great job on the project. Again, we have a lot of words borrowed from English and other languages, so you can easily remember their meaning. Проєкт, project. Проєкт, yes. It sounds like project, I think. It means project. And yes, you're right. And the last one. Я в захваті від вашої роботи. Я в захваті від вашої роботи. I admire your work. Guys, I wrote all these sentences with the formal pronoun ви, but you can rephrase them and use they instead. Guys, if you admire my work, якщо ви в захваті від моєї роботи, you can support me on Patreon, or you can click the bottom super thank here. I appreciate your support so much. And if you want to learn Ukrainian language very well and feel confident in it, so I would like to invite you to my course From Absolute Beginner to a Confident Speaker, and the soonest launch will be on January 9. So please hurry up to join it. All details you can find on my website speaky.com. Subscribe to my Instagram account, and you can also support people from Kherson through my charity store. Buy a t-shirt, save Ukrainian life. Thank you so much. Дуже дякую, teacher Інна, ваша вчителька Інна, і слава Україні!